In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your account in Umamusume Pretty Derby. The process is very simple, but it's important to do it correctly so that you can safely move your account between devices. First, make sure you're on the main menu of the game. From there, tap on the menu button in the corner of your screen. Once the menu opens, look for the option that says Data Link and tap on it. Now, you'll need to select Data Link again to start the setup process. At this point, you'll have a couple of different options. The first option is to create a trainer ID and password. This means you'll type in an ID along with a password of your choice, which you can later use to log into your account on another device. The second option is to simply set up a link password. Either method works, but the trainer ID and password option can be more reliable if you want an easy way to remember your login details. Once you've set this up, you'll be able to transfer your account between devices, for example, from your phone to your tablet or even another mobile device. However, one important thing to remember is that your carrots, both paid and free, will not transfer across devices, especially if you're switching between different operating systems. So make sure to spend or manage them before transferring. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can secure your account and make sure you don't lose your progress. Happy linking! Thank you for watching this video.